Alright, now a bit of a shout out to all our friends over in Canada who are doing the right thing for democracy. Can't buy. Bureaucracy, mainstream media, we've had enough here, alright? We're taking the world back. Which side of history are you going to be on? Ain't she a beautiful side? Democracy, proper democracy, not the tyranny that you're pushing on us and the narrative you're pushing on us every day. I wonder if that's tacky enough now. Tacky. Right, anyway, on with the share. Oh, what's your 20? 1020? Well, what's your location? Yes, I know the odd 10 code. Want an eyeball? Don't do that again, Sparrow. Alright, sorry. Or as used to be known when I was an apprentice. Chookity! Chook chook! Can you guess why I was called? Does it show? Oh, to put this garden in the show. Can you guess why I was called Chook? Could it be that I used to go off like an old Chook? Still do. 40 plus years later. Anywho, this needs to go face down. Right, so let's do it. Let's line that up with that. Sil's garden with me. Oh, I didn't tenderize it. Oh no. Oh, what's going to happen? Under the sea. Oh, I like the sea. Oh dear, oh dear. Ognorats, they called him. Ognorats. Otherwise known as Ringo Starr. One of the Beatles that didn't barrack for Everton. Alright, let's get this masking tape off. Am I in? Get in the frame, Sparrow. Look through the camera, not the... Oh, alright. Stop going off like an old chook. Too late. Too late. Anywho, that's working nicely. Sil's garden. Ocky, ocky, ocky. Oi, oi, oi. That's what we say in Australia. Ocky, ocky, ocky. Yeah, oh look, I'm really... You get one shot of this and I mucked it up. I ockied it up. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, I don't mind that. Centralise. No, diversify. Centralising gave us all of these problems we got now, like Trudeau and whatever his name. Oh, and Munchausen's syndrome by proxy, McGowan in Western Australia, and Dictator Dan in Victoria. You know, it's all the really left-wing Labourite socialist women who are out for flipping tyranny. They're only being true to their calling. You've got to expect it from them. They want to be kings. They seem to forget what happens to tyrants. You know. Remember the Tchaikovskys? Anywho, libertarian me goes, alright, I'll fix this up. Let's let this dry and turn the radio down. I've rabbited and chooked on and gone off and like an old chook long enough, eh? Oh, tune out of mainstream media. They're only pushing a narrative. Go to independent news, especially on YouTube and stuff like that. I can't shut that up easily. Alright, back shortly.